Hello everyone. This application is all about point of sale product internal reference. This application is useful for the user to show the product internal reference or code in the point of sale screen and in the receipt. And this is for Odoo 17 version, and now I will show how this application will be working. First we need to go to the point of sale, configuration, settings. You will be able to see three sections: POS internal reference, POS internal reference in cart, POS internal reference on receipt. So if you want to view the internal reference and point of sale, then you need to tick this boolean. If you want to view the internal reference and point of session in cart, then you can take this boolean. If you want to view the point of sale internal reference on receipt, then you need to take this boolean. So based on this configuration, you will be able to see the internal reference in the point of sale screen. Once this configuration is completed and saved, we need to go to the product master and click on product, and in the product you will be able to see an internal reference field. So in this particular field, you need to apply the value of that particular internal reference. So if you want to update the value for all the product, you can update, or else if you want to add it for few, then you can add it the internal reference and for that particular product. And once this is completed, I'll go to dashboard and continue sailing. That is, I'll go to the point of sale session, and here you will be able to see all the products with the internal reference if we have updated in the product master. So you can see the product with the internal reference. If you want to add this to the cart, you can click on this particular product, and here also in the cart you will be able to see the product with the internal reference. Similarly, if you want to view this in the receipt, then I'll select the customer. I click on the payment. I click on cash, and now I will select how much amount is pending. So based on that, I will validate this. So here also you will be able to see a receipt with the product name and with the internal reference also. You can print this receipt, and here also you will be able to see the product name with the internal reference. So for whichever the product you will be giving the internal reference, you will be able to see this in the point of sale module, in the receipt, and in the cart, and in the product master also. So this is regarding the point of sale internal reference app. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.